Hey, I'm Liz Crystal and I work at Missouri S&T Student Involvement Center, and welcome to our crib.
Oh, hey Liz, can't wait for the tour.
At the front part of our office, we have a bunch of different student organizations that have their own space. Here's our student council office. They have one of our larger office suites. I always see them hanging out in their hammock. Over here on the left-hand side is our Greek council office. Our Greeks always have a bunch of stuff going on. They've got lots of supplies for events, and of course, calendar for all of our planning purposes. We have our Associated Students of the University of Missouri office. These are students that lobby on behalf of the university and the university's platform. Next to their office, we have the Residence Hall Association office. They host a lot of different events in the residence hall themselves.
Remember, it's res halls, not dorms, people.
And then over here on the opposite side of the hallway, we have a conference room that our staff uses, any student group can use. All you have to do is just reserve it back here with Sammy. So this is Sammy's desk. She's our wonderful office assistant. Today is actually Professional Administrative Assistant Day. We've got lots of goodies and fun stuff set up for her. As always, she has tons of candy with the butterscotch and the strawberries. If that reminds you of your grandma, it reminds me of mine. Over here, we have our director's office, and we have our student finances guy, Mark. As you can see on the wall, he's the credit card dude. And then as we go this way, we've got games that anybody can use.
Oh, Candyland, my favorite.
Our whole open area over here is non-reservable, so lots of times students come up here and play games. We always see students on these bean bags and playing with Legos.
This is for the OCD people out there.
Then this direction, we have the Council of Graduate Students office and then the International Students Club office. They've hosted a lot of events here in the last couple of weeks, especially with Holy. That was the last really big one. Then we have our Student Union Board office right here.
I actually started my career in student life, student activities, professional speaking as a student activities program board person.
There's Alexa over there in the corner. She's the president. They do the fun stuff on campus, so concerts, comedians, large events, small events, you name it, they do it. And right now, they're in the middle of their block party. They had a rock wall yesterday. Today they have a 360 cam, super fun stuff. And then over here, we've got a few other administrative offices. Jonathan's office is here. And then we have our Greek life office. These were some of our stress toys that we gave out. Our students just had a ball with them. We're not sure what happened to Lenny. We think it might have been our boss.
Poor Lenny. He was a good one.
And then this direction, we have coordinator offices. Right here in Maddie Lechner's office, she is the advisor to the Student Union Board. She also advises some students called the Peer Involvement Advisors. Anybody who wants to get involved on campus, they can help them with that, as well as starting different registered student organizations.
All right, Maddie, here's one more sticker for your door.
Right next door is my office. Maddie and I have the pleasure of sharing professional office walls, as well as we live in apartments next to each other too. I have lots of stuff, always fun stuff on the desk, fun dinosaur pins. Still got my Eclipse glasses. My favorite thing that I have is this squishmallow over here named Nugget. During my first sorority recruitment, a bunch of the recruitment counselors bought me one as a stress toy, and I really needed it. I worked 100 hours for the first time. Nugget has made an appearance at all the sorority recruitments that I've done so far. Our final stop is with one of our newest employees, Alyssa. Alyssa was one of our students, and then she started working for us in January. Alyssa helps advise some of our Greek groups and then also helps with registered student organization processes. The last thing I'll show you here, this kind of highlights part of our PAT celebration. This is the biggest tradition at Missouri S&T. It's been going on for 116 years. Every March around St. Patrick's Day, this place becomes green. So it's probably one of my favorite traditions that we do. And thanks for stopping by the Student Involvement Center. Bye.